In the morning, eat these 3 things and your belly fat will melt away. Will be gone naturally. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love health tips and beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Today's video is on weight loss. Like, this is a way of cutting out bloating, removing excessive fat from the body. Additional fat that makes you feel bloated. If you have excessive fat on your belly, this will help to get rid of it, flushing out all those fats and making you to have a flat belly. Continue watching because I'll be showing you 3 wonderful ingredients that will help you greatly. These 3 ingredients support fat burning and the results will amaze you. Eating these 3 things in the morning, early morning before breakfast, will help a lot to make you stay fuller all the day. You eat less food and so cutting out calories, reducing fat from your body, and so you will burn those fats without any side effect. The first ingredient you have to get is cucumber. So cucumber contains high amount of fiber and also water. The water content in it is so much that will help so well to keep you hydrated as you are losing those weight. Also, this will help greatly, and the fiber also will help to make you stay fuller all through the day. Eating less food, as a result, you will store so much calories in your body. Another one you have to get is cinnamon. Cinnamon, yes, cinnamon is so powerful when it comes to losing weight. This is a spice that helps to cut out excessive fat. This spice is so powerful. It helps to boost immune system as well. If you want to get rid of toxins from your body, removing fat from your body and the others, this is one ingredient you should think of. You can get it from food stores, you can get it from supermarkets. So this is something you can add into your weight loss drink, weight loss food, and the results will amaze you. So go ahead and use cinnamon and you will never regret it. Before showing you the last ingredient, which is the 3rd one, I will go ahead and show you how to prepare your cucumber to make a drink out of it for effective results. So what you have to do is to get your cucumber. 1 is enough. This depends on the quantity of water. So for this size, you have to make 1 liter of water for this size. Make sure it's very clean. Then you have to cut it and pour it into this container. Make sure you use a non-plastic bowl. This is a glass. Okay, make sure you use a non-plastic. I'll go ahead and cut it and show you how to do so for effective results. So here we are. Just cut it into smaller size. Transfer it into the container. Pour in 1 liter of water into that container. Okay, look at it. You can make use of a bowl. Use a very clean water because this is something you have to drink. Pour enough water, 1 liter of water. Just go ahead and pour enough. So I'm just showing you how to prepare yours. Okay, just do it like this and you never regret it. So this is just going to keep you in shape, making sure you have a lovely shape without any side effects. So here is cinnamon. It's time to add your cinnamon powder. So for 1 liter of water, you have to go ahead and add 1 full tablespoon of cinnamon powder. 1 full tablespoon into it. When you add it, you have to mix it. Okay, just mix it very well. Cinnamon powder is very difficult to mix with a cool water. Okay, except the water is very hot. But this remedy, you don't need to add hot water. Use a room temperature water for mixing. Just mix it, continue mixing it until it's properly mixed. Just mix it. Okay. Look at it. So here we have the last ingredient, the 3rd ingredient. This is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another powerful ingredient that I love so much. It's a potent antioxidant that helps so well to boost immunity. It helps to flush out fat. If you are on weight loss journey, or if you want to make a weight loss drink, adding a little of apple cider vinegar will help so well to keep you in shape. It will help to support this drink to work perfectly. So go ahead and add it into this drink and you're all good. For 1 liter, just like this, you have to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, make sure you add 3 tablespoons into this drink. After adding it, you have to cover it, The 3 ingredients will help you greatly to lose those excessive fats. If you have additional fat, maybe you added some weight on your arms, this will help so well to make you get rid of it and making sure you are in shape. So just mix. Remember not to make use of a plastic container. Use a non-plastic. The water is already showing so brown because of the cinnamon, but do not worry, this is just perfect. This drink is going to help you greatly. So after adding the 3 ingredients, apple cider vinegar, cucumber and cinnamon powder, it's time to leave this for 4 to 5 hours. Remember, 4-5 hours. After that, all the ingredients must have mixed properly, infused out into the water. It's time to have your drink. Enjoy your drink first thing in the morning. You have to take a glass before breakfast. Just 1 glass of this drink before breakfast. After 30 minutes, you can go ahead and take your food, your breakfast, but make sure it's a light food in the morning. So if you have ulcer, please do not make use of this drink. If you are pregnant, not for you. If you are breastfeeding, if your baby is from 1 month to 6 months, not for you. If your baby is from 6 months and above, you can go ahead and have this drink to get rid of postnatal weight, like all those weight you added due to pregnancy. So if you want to just maintain your shape, like you don't have ulcer, just take this drink freely. Take it 1 glass in the morning, every morning as you wake up. After 30 minutes or 1 hour, go ahead and have your breakfast and you're all good. This is a very potent drink that I love so much, and you never regret it. You can store it in the refrigerator for next use, and you have a full result with this drink. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.